Good morning, 4311. This is Miss Green, and we're going to talk about Book Club Session 3, and you're going to get some more tips on how to be more effective readers. So the first thing we're going to talk about is reading differently and getting more talk happening. And how do we do this? Well, here are some tips. Readers talk about their books with their clubs or even their family members. And one way to do this is to give a quick retell. You can name the characters, you can name the setting, you can talk about the setting, you can name the problem that's happening in the story, and choose a story element you want to talk more about. You may say, some ideas I have about the characters are, or you may say, this setting is important because Another thing you can do is mark the places in your book that really resonate with you. So mark the places in your books that you want to talk about more with your club. Highlight it, put a post-it, jot it down on a post-it pad, or put a post-it in the section of the book itself. Mark what you want to read and reread with family at home to talk more about it. Discuss it with your family members. Read that section to them. Share with club members those pages or upload to Google Classroom or even video yourselves sharing your biggest ideas to upload. Another thing you can do is you can make a bookmark with your own set of questions, comments, statements, observations to guide your talks with club members or family members. And if you notice, this is a book club talk, it says. So you can create your own bookmark and you can write the list of questions on the bookmark. And that way you can have it in the place that you want to talk about in your book. Another thing that you will be noticing when you start your book clubs, you will notice that we have Miss Brown has posted a couple of Google Forms. One is a reflection sheet and one is a preparation sheet. So the preparation sheet is what you're going to fill out before you come to the book club meetings. And there are a list of questions that you want to answer on that sheet. That sheet will be posted, or it's already posted. And the reflection will be after the book club meeting, maybe the Friday after the meetings, for you to jot down your reflections. Okay, that's all for now in this session 3 of book clubs. We'll talk more in the next session. Have a good day. Bye.